Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Flowwork Studio. Today I am going to explain about video editing, how I edit my Instagram and YouTube videos in DaVinci Resolve. I do video editing in Premiere Pro as well as DaVinci Resolve. Recently I converted into DaVinci Resolve because we have a lot of options and I use free version, no studio version. So let's get into the topic and I will explain how I edit my videos. Let's open the project. This is the page of the DaVinci Resolve. So first you need to create something what we say is like project libraries. So create something like that, add project library. In that you need to add a location. Based on the location you can create a name for that. So I created this local database as well as white editing start something library. It's up to your wish, whatever the name, it's up to your wish. Create, give location, you create an project library. In that you have these projects. This is the project guys. So these tabs you can see, okay, this is the media pool tab where we can see all the media and we can import, we can do multiple options. Here this is the cut page. This is very handy for a long type of what we say conversation or something like that. And if you have what we say podcast or something, it will be very easy to use this to see what's happening. And there are multiple options you can use. After that, this is edit page where the most editors works on like cutting the timeline, editing, adding text, everything will happen here only. After that, this is fusion page which is for advanced users in DaVinci Resolve. I know about fusion but not much. Let's don't touch about the fusion. It's a bit complex subject. We can do 3D animation. This is color page where we can do color grading. Literally, this is so handy and very good in DaVinci Resolve compared to all other softwares. This is the previous video that I posted in Instagram. So please check it out guys. I'll link my Instagram channel also. Instagram account, sorry. So this is music page and this is deliver. As you know, we can what we say, we can get the render. So the thing is today I recorded an Insta reel in my camera. After that I what we say I copied those videos into a separate folder in an hierarchical format. So guys, please do follow this hierarchical format. So I save in this way: day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. In this way I save it. So you can raw videos day 1, day 2. You will have a structured format. So if you felt something lost, you can go into that and you can easily grab those assets or videos that was downloaded. So please do make sure to create an hierarchical order and do this type of stuff. Without that you'll get confused. So now this is the folder. In that I'm going to create, right click, new bin. In this I'm creating a reel for day 30, so I'm giving a relevant name. It's up to you. In day 30 I'm dragging and dropping my folders. So raw videos day 30. Okay, these are the videos. So we can directly drag and drop. Okay guys, now let's go into the video and let's see what I'll do. So first I'll create a timeline. Timeline is everything to do. Okay, using the timeline you can create. So create new timeline, which is timeline, no, day 30, day 30 timeline. So that I can understand what is timeline, what is what. I'm creating it. In that, if you're having this in a separate folder, it add those videos. As you can see, this will take you to edit page. If I double click it, you can go into edit page. As you can see, you'll go directly to edit page without an issue. So let's get into topic guys. So as you can see, if I create this timeline in that specific folder, it add the contents of that folder in the timeline. So it's not necessary for us, so let's delete it. Delete not, you use backspace, don't use delete option here in DaVinci Resolve. So control and mouse wheel button to move in the timeline, alt to zoom in zoom out in the timeline. So now what we need to do is we need to set and adjust those timeline settings, which are very important. Okay, we are doing for Instagram, which is like 1018 to 9 is to 16 aspect ratio. Normally in YouTube we have what is say 16 is to 9, and in the Instagram it will be reverse 9 into 16. So what we do means use project default, use vertical ratio, monitor, everything is okay. So we go to color, select this option guys. It's very important to get this color. After that automatic color management, I'll go to HDRI DaVinci white gamut intermediate. I created this. Let's go to timeline. We got this aspect ratio. So now I need day 29 video. I don't want anything else. So here you get this video uh, what we say edit options. So here you see rotation angle I need in this way, so -90, and we need to zoom out a bit. Yeah, it's fine I guess. To zoom in I said you right, alt mouse scroll button to zoom in to check where I am getting this audio signal. I am checking it out. So here I am getting
Hey guys,
what you need to do is go into DaVinci Resolve tab. Wait. Go into DaVinci Resolve tab. Here you go for keyboard customization, search the key that you want and give your own customization key so that it will be easy in your workflow. So first I give a bit of fade in so that
hey guys, currently I'm working.
I think it's too fast. So I just I'll back and I'll cut the timeline, backspace. You know what? There is we can delete this. This is known as ripple, which is what we say, the in between space. So delete it after
Hey
that.
guys,
So let me give a fade out.
hey guys, currently I'm working.
Sorry. So everything is working fine. Everything is good. I just talk in this, okay? There's nothing more, nothing fancy in this video. So I just talk. Now what I do means I use this auto subs. Yeah, I'll delete the unwanted part and fade out. So add a fade out so it fits.
Thank you.
Everything is good, right? Now everything is good. Now what I do means for the subtitles here in workspaces, console, sorry, scripts, auto subs. This auto subs is a free plugin that you can install in for your DaVinci to make that subtitles. So I selected track 1, and what I need to do means first let me close this. I have this presets, titles. Here I have this one, and YouTuber gave this a free pack. So this rise is good. So let's check
Hey
whether
guys,
it's good or not. Yeah, it's good. So in the file we can give a name, day 30 captions, day 30. I gave this name. In this the rise of animation, we don't
hey
want
guys,
an animation, right? It's just talking, so I'll reduce it to something like this so it won't
hey
say
guys,
anything. After that, here from center I'll make it down, so it's enough here, it's right there. After that, so what I do means I drag and drop on the in the data. So here you get this day 30 captions, right? So let me check whether it's working fine or not. So let me keep my time.
interesting like product animations as well as.
It's working good, right? So what I do means save this. Now open this scripts auto subs. In the auto subs, we select the track. We have only one track, audio track, which is my voice alone, that was recorded using my microphone. After that, in this base template, you need to select what text animation, the day 30 captions that I have here. So I'm selecting that. Okay, I downloaded this medium. Medium is fine. Don't go for large and all. If you're somewhat fluent in English, it's enough to have this medium model be installed. So install this. After that, you use this GPU acceleration, dynamic time wrapping to complete the process as fast as possible. After that, I went here, I just give start transaction. It takes the audio first. Wait, I'll show you. It takes the audio in downloads. As you can see, auto subs audio. First, it takes the audio from the timeline. Now the transcription is completed, so I'll click add to timeline. It takes a minute. Yeah, it completed. So let's see how accurate it gave.
Hey guys, currently I'm working on product animations as well as my short film. When I'm feeling bored while I'm doing short films, like we can't do continuously to hours, right? We feel bored. When I'm feeling bored, I'm learning something interesting like product animations as well as motion graphics. I'm learning these all things in Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine supports this all the concepts that we can do in Blender, Maya, and etc. 3D softwares. So
Yeah, as you can see, it's actually good. The output is pretty good. As you can see, it's pretty good, right? You created an what we say captions, as well as you created you know how to cut the timeline, so it feels good. So I'll give it.
hey guys.
I'll make a bit so that it won't be like that. 1 minute. Yeah.
Hey guys, currently
Yeah, that's it, guys. So we created this. Now, what I do means I'll go to color grading or Fairlight. Let's go to Fairlight to adjust the audio. I think it's audible enough to. It's good actually. I can
as
hear,
well as my short film.
but you can hear the noise in the audio. So what I do means I'll go to Fairlight. I'll make it big to see it. I'll get it done. After that, what I do means this is first timeline. As you can see, this is audio clip 1. So here, the right side of the window, as you can see here, this is A1. This is audio clip audio 1 here. A1 means audio 1. So here we can add effects, we can do equalizer, we can do all the things. So let me add some of the effects. Here I think we do this noise reduction to reduce the noise. So I'll give in the
As
noise
well as my
reduction.
short film. When I'm feeling bored while I'm
Yeah, it's pretty good. The output is pretty good. So noise reduction is good. After that, we need the studio reverb for the audio, so it feels good to hear. And cinematic, no cinematic. It feels good actually. If you have a reverb in your audio, it will be good. So in reverb, no. I'm adding this Soundly Placeit. This is also a plugin that you can install in the DaVinci Resolve. So now I am making it an room. After that, the speaker will be boombox. After that, the space will be living room 3. I'll adjust it around 20. These are the settings that I experimented on multiple times. I experimented for multiple times, so the setting seems good actually.
when I'm feeling bored while I'm doing short film.
Yeah.
Short film. When I'm feeling bored while I'm doing short films, like
That's it, guys. You removed noise, you added this reverb, a bit of reverb. After that, go into edit page. The final thing is we need to add the song. So I have the song known as Death of Bluebird. So I'm keeping that song almost up to here. So
hey guys, currently I'm working on product and
it's too loud actually. So let me reduce it to 15. We can do this all the action here. We can do these things. So this is audio 2 here. In audio 2 we can reduce the overall volume here. It's your choice. You can do in edit page as well as fairlight page. It's your choice. So based on your choice you can do things. So when I'm working on edit page, I'll do it here. It's not a big deal. I'm not going for advanced audio editing. I'm just reducing the volume. I think in the soundly place it effects. Let me add this here effects. Audio. Here I have this VST effects. Only place it. So I'm adding here room, boombox, space. Let me see how it.
Animations as well as motion graphics. I am learning these all things in Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine supports this all.
So it's good, but it's giving a different type of sound. Let me adjust the values. It's all experimentation, guys, about the audio. The sound that I'm hearing currently after placing it second time, it's actually good. Just experiment, guys. That's it. Everything you need to do experimentation. That's it, guys. You can actually do this in this way. As you can see, this way we can easily do the editing.
Hey guys.
This is basic stuff, okay? I can do advanced stuff too, but for this reel, it's not needed. We need to minimalize the work what we are doing and organize the work what we are doing. We should not go overboard to get this overload. We need to think practically and keep things as simple as possible. You should not go very complex. If you go very complex, it will mess your mind. So for the simple reel, you need to have a basic audio. You need to cut the timeline in betweens to make it looks and feel smoother. After that, you need to add the for Insta, right? You need to add the subtitles here, the captions. That's it. You adjust the audio and you render it out. That's it. As you can see, that's it, guys. Not much is needed for this type of Insta reel. In this way, we can actually do things. So here I agree, give a name day 0 30 and I save it in final videos. The folder known as final videos. Save, export video, check the things. I actually format, I'll keep the format in QuickTime itself. You can change as you wish. We can go for whatever the model you want. Everything is fine. For Insta, we need to keep in timeline resolution, which is 1920, no, sorry, 1080 into 1920, which is 9 is to 16 format. It's enough. Don't go overboard. If you go overboard, also, what we say, the Insta will support 1080p quality. If you keep 4K quality in it, it's what we say, it reduces the quality, which makes video look bad. So here, quality, everything is quality, high. So I'll check audio, which will be MP3. I set it as linear PCM at start when I'm rendering, and when I try to upload or take the video to here, I can't hear the audio. That does what does that mean? I searched for that and I understood that it doesn't support this PCM format of the audio. So we need to change it to MP3 to hear it. Add to render queue. That's it. Render. It takes a bit of time. That's it, guys. You'll get the final video in your folder. Thank you for the day, guys.